Yo, what's up guys? We are back at it, and today I want to talk about some of the things that I don't like about the Piaggio Liberty 150S. Now don't get me wrong, I love the scooter, but there is a few things that really grind my gears a little bit here. And the first thing is the side stand. Alright, yeah, I come from I guess you could say a motorcycle background. I started off riding motorcycles before a scooter. And the thing is, like a lot of scooters, they come with a center stand. You know, this is not a huge deal, but it's just so convenient, you know, plopping your left foot down, putting the side stand down, and then getting on with your business. All right. As far as with the scooter, you know, you have to hop off, make sure it's stabilized, and then you just step on the pedal there to initiate the center stand. You know, one thing that I don't like about the center stands, in my opinion, I feel like it's easier to say push it over, whereas the side stand, the weight is on one side. I feel personally that it's more secure with the side stand, but to each their own. And then the next thing that I find annoying about the Piaggio Liberty 150S is that the underseat storage, don't get me wrong, there's a lot of space, but there's not enough space for a full face helmet. Alright, that's what I'm wearing right now, and I'll show you, when you try to close the lid, it's going to hit the top of your helmet, so you can't wear a full size helmet with this. Well, you can wear it, but you can't fit it underneath. You can fit a half lid very easily, but as far as a full face helmet, it's not going to work. But like I said, there's plenty of space underneath there for snacks and drinks, and a half lid and your hat, but just not a full face helmet. And then the last thing that I don't like about the Piaggio Liberty 150S is the rear. If you want to add some extra storage, you know, like a top case, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to buy a mounting kit. Alright, Shad is a popular kit for scooters and motorcycles, and they do sell a mounting kit for the rear. I think it's around $120. Some of the kits involve screwing some holes in the plastic pieces back there, and some of them come with the pre-drilled holes already. I'd look for that one, just make your life a little easier. And then you have to buy the top case separately, and they have all different types of universal fits that can snap on and off with the mounting plate kit. But that's going to run you maybe around $230 or so extra if you want to add some storage in the rear. And then you could get one that's large enough for a full face lid, but it just depends on what you're looking for. So like I said, overall I really love this scooter. You know, there's barely anything I don't like about it. These are just three little things that irk me, that I find you know, could be improved, but like I said, to each their own. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you later. Bye.